Oh! Asam.
Yeah, get drunk on the phone.
Yeah.
So getting to this video, I just wanna say, if I become mean on any nigga or any person who's actually participating in this dance battle, I don't care. I can still smoke your ass. So, Onion, please like the video because round 2. Let's go. Ish. 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 Oh. Ish. Asam. 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 Oh! Nice! Ya boya naman! Oh, hey. Nah, I'm wrong too now. Ah, sorry, man. Now that was fire. Round 3. Round 2 was fire. Round 1 I give it to the guy with the red hat. Round 2 it's a tie. Hey. 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 Issue. Hey. Oh. Hey. Hey. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Yo. Now that was hard. Now that was fire. Yo.